Welcome to the Ghost Pepper CNC sales and marketing campaign. With a capacity of roughly 6 inches by 4 inches and a 2-inch Z movement, the Ghost Pepper is perfectly at home on any desktop. Boasting an industry-standard USB connection and open-source software for both native and web-based controls, the Ghost Pepper comes with hardware limit switches and auto-leveling work surface. At $999, the Ghost Pepper is significantly less cost than its nearest competition. Starting with a 3D CAD model, every aspect of the cabinet was examined for best fit, durability, and finish. Each model was then built, sanded, and finished to a polished shine before being exposed to a number of usability tests. The final design is a completely enclosed machine with multicolor LED illumination, dust extraction system, and plexiglass window top. All cabinet components are precision cut on a 180-watt CO2.
So now that you have seen the machine, let's see what it can do. How about engraving a horse onto a penny? A big draw for all makers is the ability to mechanically etch custom circuit boards. We can do that too. The bones of the Ghost Pepper is a closer look shows just how clean a cut the machine can make. Here is an MDF version of the horse we carved earlier. You can also carve brass, aluminum, plastic and more. Ghost Pepper CNC, a functional enabler of creativity. It may be small, but it's strong.
Sometimes your tent pole breaks. Sometimes your snowboard binding breaks. Or your bag strap breaks. Sometimes your suitcase spills open. Sometimes you need to protect something fragile for transit. Or stop something getting damaged in use. Sometimes you need to stop a leak. Sometimes you need to make stuff smaller. Sometimes you need to tie stuff down, or dry stuff out. Sometimes you need to fix your boot. Not that sort of boot. That's better. Or simply hold up your socks. It's times like these you need adventure tape. We've spent the last 3 years developing and perfecting adventure tape, and it's got some amazing properties. Which means that you can replace all of this stuff with adventure tape. It's so strong and stretchy, you can do this with it. Because adventure tape is self-tacky, it doesn't slip, meaning that you can fasten it with a simple tuck. And because there's no adhesive, it will leave no gluey residue on your kit or rip apart your bubble wrap, unlike regular packing tape. Adventure tape is also highly abrasion and cut resistant, meaning you can use it to stop wear or damage to your precious items or equipment. It's completely waterproof, so you can use it to fix leaks, and in fact, if it gets dusty or dirty, just wash it off, under the tap or in a stream. Adventure tape has hundreds of uses in outdoor activities and adventures, as well as in sports, weekends away, or to help you out with day-to-day fixes. We know Adventure tape is an amazing product, and one which once you've used it, you'll wonder how you live without it. So please support our Kickstarter campaign and make Adventure tape a reality.
Hi, I'm Ted, founder of Creation Hardware, and today I'd like to introduce you to our latest product, Kevo. I founded Creation Hardware with the goal of creating easy-to-use tools made for makers. The Kevo is the first in a line of products that will accomplish that goal. Vacuum forming was a great choice for our first product, because it is easy and fun to create your own original objects. Vacuum forming has been around for decades, but it is primarily used for industrial and commercial applications. Industrial vacuum formers are hard to use and extremely expensive. The Kevo brings vacuum forming into the home by making it easy, fun, and affordable for everyday use. The first step to using your Kevo is placing your object on the vacuum chamber. Once you have done this, place a plastic sheet into the mold grip. Then tighten it in with the corner wing nuts. With your oven preheated to 300 degrees, place your plastic in mold grip inside the oven. Next, turn on your vacuum. The Kevo is made to work with a wide variety of vacuums and includes an adapter for small, medium, and large hosed vacuums. Once your plastic is heated and softened, quickly place it on top of the vacuum forming platform. You'll see that with the suction inside the vacuum chamber, the plastic will quickly adhere around your object. After a few seconds, the plastic will cool and you can remove the mold grip from the vacuum chamber. You will notice that the plastic has molded around your object. This can be used as a mold for making more parts or by itself. The Kevo can be used to create mini objects in a variety of materials, such as easy-to-use plastic pellets, chocolate or hard candies, wax for creating candles. You can mold objects off of Play-Doh or clay, store-bought letters, CNC'd objects, 3D printed objects, or toys such as this car. You can create plastic parts, edible objects, blister packs to sell your products, and even cut out the mold to make a housing for your electronics project. The possibilities are endless, so you can let your imagination run wild. The Kevo allows you to easily create blister packs to package your product. All you need is a sheet of clear vacuum forming plastic, a title card, and a spacer to go in between the title card and the vacuum forming chamber. This will create a crevice, allowing the plastic to be sucked in, creating a seal around your object and title card. Once you remove your plastic from the mold grip, all you have to do is trim off the excess plastic and you have a ready-to-go retail product. The Kevo is composed of high-grade laser-cut acrylic thermoplastic and is assembled by hand with care. The mold grips are made from plasma-cut 6061 aluminum alloy. Each Kevo and its accessories are securely packaged to prevent damage in transit. This is where I need your help, Kickstarter. Manufacturing the Kevo in large quantities requires tools such as plasma cutters and laser cutters. To help support the Kevo and Creation Hardware, you can buy one of the models you see here. The Kevo is available in sunflower yellow, ruby red, and kiwi green, and includes the Kevo vacuum forming chamber, the mold grip, vacuum forming plastic, vacuum adapters for medium and large vacuums, and a quick start pamphlet. On behalf of the Kevo and Creation Hardware, I'd like to thank you for your support and wish you happy creating.